Hello everybody, this is Chef Harpal Singh Soki and with me here is Paul Chabra, who's flown all the way from Virginia and has given us a day to shoot vegan recipes. Thank you, Paul, for joining in here.
I think you have given me a day.
And we are doing Gajar Halwa, vegan Gajar Halwa. Okay, and I tell you, recently when I went to Australia also,
right.
I was shooting in one of these restaurants, and there this owner's wife said that I need vegan recipes,
right.
because we have some food products there,
right.
and she said I need gluten-free recipes.
Right.
So that's a big challenge.
Oh, it's interesting. Yes, you have to work around all
absolutely.
the way. Yes.
So if you are watching, this is for you too.
Yeah.
So quickly, some vegetable oil going in here. You can't use ghee. You can use butter. So because it's vegan, so we put some nuts in here.
Yeah, I think chef they can also use this sort of oil. They don't use called zero carbon, no fat. Or use this called it.
Possibly.
Liquid, like liquid, it's buttery, but it's called buttery oil. It's not.
Okay.
It's just made out of oil.
So internationally,
Yeah.
people have this option.
Yeah.
In India, as of now, we don't have too many options.
Yeah, exactly.
Hence, I'm saying a bit of oil is okay here, and we add.
Equally works good.
2 tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon raisins in here as they get brown. I've got dates, but I will not add them now because they will get mushy. So as this gets cooked, so I'm going to add carrots, winter carrots as available in India.
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful color. This is about 4 nice big carrots. Winter carrots are nice and large, so we've grated 4 carrots from the serrated side, which is finer. And this we cook for some time, about 15 minutes until the carrots get cooked well. But unfortunately, none of the restaurants do vegan Gajar Halwa. That's a challenge.
I do.
Which is why he does, and which is why we.
Yeah, I've been having Gajar Halwa vegan.
Yes.
Almost when we start doing this, I would say, but if not wrong, 2004, about 14 years.
14 years.
14 years.
Wow. Yeah. Okay. So the carrots are almost cooked. Next step, almond butter into this. About 2 tablespoons. You don't have almond butter, don't worry. Just grind some almonds. Okay. Put it inside. That's about it. So now you can use this, your favorite wooden spoon.
Yep.
And sugar. Okay.
So no salt, right?
No salt.
No namak chamat?
No namak chamat. So sugar, use it as per the sweetness you like. We have used nearly 1/4 cup of sugar in this. A little more sugary makes it nice, but use to your discretion, the way you like.
Tell me some other word for the sugar too.
I need to do that.
All the desserts, you
Yeah.
have some sugar in there.
Yes.
Right? So
Yes.
when you start namak chamat, you have to have something else there. You gotta move it.
Yes,
Every
okay.
dish has to have something, movement to it.
Yeah,
That's what you are known for, right?
yes, that's a good idea.
Right.
I need to start thinking.
You should come think about it. Okay.
Yes.
Something to think about.
So now with the sugar, the carrot gets cooked a little more better,
Yes.
And they wind up.
Oh my goodness, yes.
Look at the color.
Exactly. That's what I said.
Yeah.
We said same.
Yes.
Look at the color.
Beautiful.
Oh my goodness. I can get this color.
Yeah,
No.
that's the difficult bit.
Even I try to use a little spark of the red
Yeah.
color, it's still not gonna get that color.
I don't advise you
No,
to
we
use
don't. No,
yeah.
absolutely not.
Maybe some vegetable food color if you get.
Vegetable.
Yeah,
Yeah.
vegetable color.
Yeah.
Natural.
As we're discussing with the vegetable
Yeah.
food colors, yeah.
Yeah.
Like
Correct.
the beetroot.
Yes.
And beetroot extract.
Yes. You can use a little bit of
A
that.
little bit of that.
Just-
You won't get same
Yeah,
color.
same color of
No,
course.
yes, at least, but at
Yeah.
least kind of something close to it.
Correct. Now to this almond milk.
Yes.
Okay.
I use a lot of those.
Yes.
I even make my rice pudding
Yeah.
and almond milk there.
So 1 cup of almond milk in this, you get easily in India also, almond milk. Add 1 cup of it. Now let it get cooked, let it get dry. So we need to dry this up. That's going to take about 4 minutes. It's quite a challenging job to do vegan, especially Indian.
Let me tell you one story. I had done some catering previously.
Yeah.
Sometimes we have a dish people have, especially the people they don't like gents, they don't no need of garlic. And same wedding, I did for 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. One of the toughest catering experience I mentor entire catering my experience. But very challenging, but very good. I feel always great to be feel something good. When I get some challenge, I want to do it. And he was some couple. They came to Virginia Beach for destination wedding, and then they have nobody there basically. So everything they want, we don't breakfast, no. But they want us to do breakfast. One day was a little Punjabi tandoori we have breakfast like paratha with the dahi. One time we had Gujarati, one time we American donuts and all that. We did that.
Yeah.
So we have to do this. But the good challenge was the 40 people also no onion garlic.
Okay. Okay.
Now you're thinking of making with onion garlic. And 40 people making no onion garlic, most of the stuff they were serving an item was like not less than 13, 14 items for lunch and dinner.
Okay.
And one day we have just like booths set up for the stations. That was not bad.
Yeah.
We have to go through so much
Yeah.
that sometimes people we have to work with that around. And that's also very challenging to making a food, no onion, no garlic.
Oh, that's a big
So
challenge.
I think it's even challenging than this vegan making a
Yes.
food because I think we cannot make a food really without no onion garlic.
So here the almond milk is almost getting dried in here.
Yes, sir.
Some dates
Yeah.
is what I'm adding just to get that
Sharp
little
one.
sweetness,
Yeah.
natural sweetness also. So you can reduce the sugar bit of it and keep the dates there, which actually balances and gives you the natural sweetness. This is optional, leave it to you. A bit of green cardamom powder, okay, about 1 teaspoon. So now this looks almost complete. The water is dried up, the almond milk also has dried up, and this looks perfect vegan Gajar Halwa. And to serve, I've got this beautiful thing. So the color is absolutely beautiful.
Absolutely.
Like we said, natural sweetness with dates.
Yes.
That adds on the value to it. You can reduce the sugar bit. So this is beautiful vegan recipe Gajar Halwa. If you ever think you have an issue and you are a vegan and you want to do this in your house, this is the way you do it. Paul, once again, thank you so much.
I'm so glad
and we're
to be
so
here.
happy to have you in our studio. And if you also wish to be here in my studio, keep connecting with us. Someday your dream will come true.
Some year.
Yes.
With the big line behind.
Absolutely. Go ahead and enjoy all the recipes. बस इसी तरह से बढ़िया रेसिपीज मैं आपके लिए लेके आता रहूंगा। बस जाइए मेरा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि आपको हर बार इंस्टेंटली अपडेट्स मिले मेरे YouTube चैनल के।